From the moment you pick up the phone, you need to be focused on your objective, setting appointments. This is the start of the sales process and most often your introduction to your prospect. What you're doing when you make that call can actually be detected by the prospect, so make sure you smile when you talk on the phone. This helps you sound happy and a fun person with whom to work. Sit up straight or even stand. Don't slump forward or sit back with your feet up. Be dressed as if you're on your way to an appointment. These things really do come across in your voice. We recommend that you make 10 sales appointment calls and then take a break. Take time to walk around, get some fresh air, and take deep breaths before you start again. You want to make sure that you sound fresh for each call. We find that if you power through dozens of calls, you'll begin to sound rehearsed and distant. Now here are the key steps for each call. Number 1, use the name of the person who referred you whenever possible. Start the conversation with the referral's name, of course, but also look for ways to use it in the conversation. Step number 2, be excited about your product or service. Prospects will want to meet you to see what you're so excited about. Step number 3, have a sense of urgency. If you have no appointments in your schedule, fill it up with a related task, such as a networking event or catching up on marketing efforts, such as blogging. Unscheduled time will most likely be frittered away with unimportant tasks. Step number 4, do not physically lay down the phone between calls. Keep calling one right after the other for each set of 10 calls. Dragging out the process can exhaust you and give you time to dwell on any negative reaction you may be receiving. Step number 5, record your numbers and the results every day. Make sure you know your statistics. Appointments per call or close rate or referrals versus company-generated leads. If you know your stats, you can watch your progress and better understand the effort it takes to reach your goals. This gives you a reality check and some motivation. Continually challenge yourself by increasing your goals as you reach them. Competing with your own record is how you become the top salesperson in your field. Step number 6. Always offer the prospect a choice of 2 to 3 appointment blocks of time. For instance, mornings or afternoons, the beginning of the week or the end of the week. Then you can narrow down the actual time. Make it easy for your prospect to meet with you. Leaving the choice open-ended can leave you out in the cold. Step number 7. Don't sell your products over the phone. Sell the appointment.